How to use the Pension Planner. Welcome to your Defined Benefit Pension Planner, which can be used to estimate what your benefits might be when you retire and see what options might be available for you. The planner is based on the latest information from your member record and will automatically load based on your normal retirement age and, if you pay additional voluntary contributions, your contribution amount and current fund value. You can tailor your retirement age, which may be between 50 and 75, depending on the rules of your section, your brass contributions, and lump sum amount to explore different retirement options. If you pay AVC extra contributions, your current or future fund value is not included. Tailoring your estimate. Your retirement age. To change your retirement age, simply increase or decrease it using the plus or minus buttons. You can also use the minimum and maximum buttons to quickly change the retirement age to the minimum and maximum age allowed by the rules of your section. Remember, retiring early is likely to reduce your pension benefits. Brass contributions. If you pay into brass, your current contributions will automatically be set by the planner. To see how changing your monthly contributions could affect your retirement outcome, use the plus or minus buttons, or click on the pencil icon to enter a specific amount. If you have never made brass contributions, this amount will be zero. To see how stopping brass contributions might change your savings, use the nil button. You can vary your lump sum amount using the plus or minus buttons, or click on the pencil icon to enter a specific amount. You can also use the minimum and maximum buttons. Underneath the planner, you can see what a one-off brass payment might do. Once you have made your changes, you can recalculate the estimated benefits by clicking this button. The planner will recalculate based on the changes you have made. You can reset all of your changes using this button. Also, if you would like to see what a level pension option might look like, toggle the Show Level Pension button on. This will update the planner to show your benefits before and after your current state pension age. Finally, you can get an estimate of your benefits here. Summary. The Pension Planner can help you plan for your future by giving you an estimate of what your benefits might be worth at retirement, as well as helping you to consider different scenarios such as earlier or later retirement, or changing your brass contributions. The planner is based on the latest information from your member record, so it's important to keep things up to date. Please remember that the results shown by the planner are for illustration and comparison purposes only and do not guarantee any future outcome or entitlement. Nothing you do on the planner will change your member record. If you are eligible and wish to join brass, you will need to contact your employer. For personalised advice on your pension, you should speak to a regulated financial advisor. You can find details of IFAs in your area at www.unbiased.co.uk. The trustee has chosen Liverpool Victoria to give members access to independent financial advice. Please check the website for further information. We hope you find the planner helpful and thanks for using it.